Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update, joined by a familiar face to everybody now, certainly familiar name, Commissioner Ruth Jones, our health commissioner, has done a fantastic job for us. And I know that there's some new things happening with the state, Ruth.
Right.
They come out with a new map that shows all the communities across Massachusetts with white, green, yellow, and red.
Right.
And we are now kind of melding our system to the state so that we can have consistency across the board on our numbers. So you want to talk a little bit about the numbers today?
Sure. So normally we would, our numbers from the beginning, we have tabulated confirmed and probable cases. So the numbers are a little bit different from what the state would tabulate. State, when they're doing this map, is counting just the confirmed cases. So we're going to change the way we give you our numbers, give the residents our numbers so that we can bring it up to the same standard that the state is doing.
So it's consistent across the board.
It is. And
Correct.
if anybody wants the total numbers that we normally give, they can always give me a call at the health department. Happy to give you all the numbers that we usually do. But today, what we're going to do from this point on is tell you how many confirmed cases per day that we're getting, and that is consistent with what the state is doing on that.
And other communities will start doing as well, because to
Absolutely.
stay consistent.
Absolutely.
Which makes perfect sense.
Right.
I mean, some of these over the last several weeks, I mean, those almost changes daily on different guidelines and all that. So I think it's important we have consistency on that. So,
It
so the
is.
numbers today, what do we have today?
So today we have 3 confirmed cases today, with total active cases. Now we're down to 31.
That's excellent. And I know 5 or 6 weeks ago we were down to 6 or 8. Then we went back up to 60, I believe.
Right.
So we're going back in the right direction.
We're going back in the right direction. We kind of leveled off at 60 and then started to go down again. We're not sure what that little spike was. It could have been after the 4th of July. Phase 3 had just begun. Things opened up a little bit more. So I think now we're going in the proper direction. We're down with a small number of cases per day. And I think if we can continue this, we'll be in pretty good shape.
I mean, parts of the country right now, some of the states are in tough shape.
They are,
some
and
of the
even
spikes,
cities. Some of
so.
the cities in Massachusetts are in that red zone
Yeah.
with a high positivity rate. We're doing pretty good here.
Yes.
And we want to continue to do pretty good here. So if people continue to do all the good things that they're doing right now, I think we're going to continue with that downward trend.
Which is a reminder,
It is.
masks when you can't social distance, washing your hands, a sanitizer, being smart about things. I know that today I had lunch with a couple of people out on the plaza behind the forest, and what a beautiful spot that
It
is.
is. It's nice.
And you're nicely separated, and in the outdoors, it works out quite well. And
Right.
I know a number of restaurants in the city have done that. They have outdoor seating nights and weekends, so people can, if you're not comfortable going inside, you have that opportunity in a number of locations. So that's a good thing. Anything else you want to add? I mean, I know you've also been a great resource for the schools, trying to plan, and we voted last night, Thursday night, as a committee to start pre-K through 3rd grade, plus our high-need
Right.
students would be in person. Hybrid September 16th, everybody else remote. And then as we watch this map and these numbers, then as a committee we'll vote to expand the hybrid and then hopefully get everybody back in fully at some point.
Right, and we're doing it slowly, looking at the effect of kids going back to school, and hopefully we'll be able to progress into the different phases as the data lets us know we can.
Sure, sure. All right, well, thank you, Commissioner.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
all your work.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in today. Stay safe, everybody. God bless.